Here I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to switch NFC on this device. So you can enable or disable NFC by just going to the upper bar. If you can't find NFC button here at this upper bar, tap on this pencil icon here, you can edit it and you have this NFC button here. You can just switch NFC in this edit menu, or you can drag this button here to the upper bar, and now you can just switch NFC here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.